Hi everyone! Today we'll be setting up our Arctis 3 gaming headset. First, let's take a look at what comes in the box. The Arctis 3 comes with one main headset cable, one dual 3.5mm extension cable, and one 4-pole 3.5mm adapter. To set up your Arctis 3 for PC, you'll need the main headset cable and the dual 3.5mm extension cable. First, you'll plug your main headset cable into your headset. Then, you'll connect your dual 3.5mm extension cable to your headset cable and into your PC. If you would like to connect your headset to your mobile phone, your Xbox, or PlayStation, simply use the 4-pole 3.5mm extension cable. To mute your mic, simply press the button. If the mute button is out, it is muted. To change your volume, scroll the dial on the left ear cup to adjust. If you would like to see more tutorials on the Arctis headset series, please visit support.stillseries.com.